Hello! To add fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll down, go into the lock screen and AOD, and go into screen lock and biometrics. Now you have to insert your current password, and now go into the fingerprints. From here press continue, and now we have to fill the entire circle with our finger to get the best scan. And now let's register this finger, and we have to press our finger inside the circle and lift it when the circle is fully highlighted. Then we have to press again. So let me show you how to do it. Let's put this finger right here, and you have to move the finger with this circle, as you can see, and we have to tap on it until it vibrates, until the circle gets completely highlighted, as you can see, and the percentage gets higher. As you can see, the progress is better, but there are some kind of different weird problems with the scanning. I don't know what is going on actually, because I'm putting my finger on this circle and it sometimes don't want to scan. But alright, now we have the fingerprint added, we can add another, but as we have this fingerprint added right now, as you can see, here's this fingerprint, we can change its name to, I don't know, finger. Let's save this one, and yeah, basically that's how to add the fingerprint on to your phone, and now we can unlock our phone with this fingerprint. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.